On today's tutorial video, we're going to learn the interface of Google Sheets, how it looks, what features do we have. So I want to make it very short. All right, I hope you guys will find it useful. So to open a new Google Sheets document, we need to go to Google Applications menu, which looks like 9 dots, and then pick Sheets and open a new file by pressing on plus sign. So let's see how does it look like. If you realized the menu pretty much looks a bit similar to Google Docs and Google Slides, since all of them were done by the same company, they tried to keep the look of the menu pretty much similar. But what is different than them is some of the features that we have in here, okay? Because most of them are related with cell configuration. For example, they don't have data, but Google Docs and Google Slides don't have data, but since table are directly related with data manipulation, it has a menu called data. So generally speaking, Google Sheets is made of columns and rows, okay? All of them have names from A to Z, and then from 1 to 1,000. So we have 1,000 rows, and then a number of letters in English alphabet columns. Then what else do we have? We have all these menus from file to edit, so you are able to customize some of the things. And then generally speaking, this portion of the menu, all of these items on the menu are all you have them all under each of this. It just the program developers, they put all the most used items on the menus in here. Okay, they accumulated them all here, so it'd be easier for you to reach them instead of searching for them every time you need. So that's very much easier. In here, we are able to open sheets. So this Google Sheets file, this is called a file. It might have multiple sheets. If you want to open a new sheet, all you have to do is click on a plus sign. It's going to open many sheets, and then you are able to have as much data as you need. You can name the sheets if you want. So how do we name them? If you go to this drop-down menu, you are able to rename it, you are able to delete it, duplicate it, copy to, and then protection, you can add password. We're gonna see all these features on upcoming videos. So each of them you are able to rename, as I said, so we just rename it. Let's say if you are a teacher, you would have the class names here. So it's gonna be 6A per se, and then this would be 6B, and similar names, and so on. Each of them has each of them are different. So what you have in here, you won't be seeing them when you go to a different sheet. All right. And in here, we're able to undo things, redo things, print. We're able to paint the format that we did on Google Doc. We're gonna go into details later. And then we are able to change, zoom in and zoom out the page. And then we're able to work with currencies, the information kinds. And then we are able to have different font formats, so resizing the letters, making them bold, applying styles, coloring your text, the color of your content of your cell, coloring your cell, adding border lines. So to be able to use this, you need to select multiple cells, because on one cell it doesn't work, because it has something to do with combining, merging cells. Since you cannot combine one single cell, you need to make multiple choices. For example, you're going to select 2 cells, and then it's going to be active. Now I'm able to merge 2 cells and make them one single cell. So you see, it looks like a one cell among others. So, all right, we get to those details later. And then this is aligning the content of your cell, left, center, right, horizontally. This one allows to align your content vertically. Okay, let's give example. For example, I write here Rustam. All right, as you can see, it's on the right left bottom corner because it's aligned to the left. If you make it center, it's going to be in the middle. Oh, it's going to be in the middle of your cell. You see, in the middle, horizontal middle. And then if you want to make it middle vertically, you need to do middle vertically. And then you see it's going to be right in the middle of your cell. Text wrapping, all remaining options we'll be discussing in upcoming videos. Thank you very much.